Peace be upon you and your family. 12th Chemistry Refresher Course Model Unit 3 Electronic Configuration of Element. Under this, we are going to discuss about the answer key, students activity and assessment. First, students activity. Number 1, draw the shapes of S, P and D orbital. Shape of S orbital. For S orbital, we know the L value equal to 0, azimuthal quantum number. Therefore, the magnetic quantum number is also 0. The shape of S orbital is spherical in shape. In all the three axes x, y and z, the S orbital is present in spherical, a three-dimensional x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. S orbital present in spherical space. Remember, the S orbital start from the first cell, 1s, 2s, 3s and goes on. If the principal quantum number increases, 1s, 2s, 3s and goes on, the size of S orbital also increases. Size of 1s is less than size of 2s, is less than size of 3s and goes on. When electrons are present in two S orbital, 1s orbital and 2s orbital, electron is considered as negatively charged electronic cloud. When two orbitals are filled, in this space there is no electron, therefore the probability of finding an electron is 0 is called a nodal space. Nodal space. In this space there is no electron, so the probability of finding an electron is 0, means that is called nodal space. Come to shape of p orbital. For p orbital, L value equal to 1, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number M value is -1, 0, +1. There are 3 M value, therefore there are 3 orientation for p orbital. What are they? One is px, py and pz. The shape of p orbital is tumble in shape. Tumble in shape. For px, py and pz, px orbital, the tumble shape is in x-axis. This is px. And for py orbital, the tumble is in y-axis. For pz orbital, the tumble is in z-axis. This is pz. Px, py, pz. How to find out nodal space for these three orbitals? Apart from x, the remaining two axes name indicated by yz, isn't it? Yz plane is called nodal space for px orbital. Plane means the space between axes is called plane. For py orbital, apart from y, we have xz plane is called nodal space. For pz orbital, apart from z, xy plane is called a nodal space. Come to shape of d orbital. D orbital. For d orbital, L value equal to 2 and possible M value are -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. There are 5 values for M. There are 5 M value, therefore 5 orientations for p orbital. What are they? They are d xy, d xy, d yz, d xz, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. Simply, the shape of d orbital is clover leaf in shape. For these 3d orbital, clover leaf is in plane, xy plane, yz plane, xz plane. For this dx squared minus y squared, clover leaf in x and y axis, dz squared is special shape. For dxy, the clover leaf is present in xy plane, yz plane and xz plane. For dx squared minus y squared, the clover leaf is present in xy axis, z squared tumble in z axis, and there is an electron cloud at the center. Electron cloud at the center. So these are dxy, dyz, dxz, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. As a student's activity number 2, write the electronic configuration of first 20 elements based on Hund's rule, alpha principle and Pauli's exclusion principle. Hydrogen atomic number 1 electronic configuration 1s1, the first electron entered into the 1s orbital. Helium atomic number 2 electronic configuration 1s2, there are 2 electrons in 1s orbital. Lithium atomic number 3 1s2 2s1, first 2 electrons are in 1s orbital, the second third electron in 2s orbital. Beryllium atomic number 4 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 1s2 2s2. Boron atomic number 5 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p1 1s2 2s2 2p1. According to Hund's rule, the electrons are filled in equal energy orbital. Atomic number 6 carbon 1s2 2s2 2p2, 1s orbital 2 electron, 2s orbital 2 electron, 1 2 3, only 2 electron, therefore 2px1 2py1. Nitrogen 1s2 2s2 2p3, 1s orbital containing 2 electron, 2s orbital containing 2 electron, we have 3 electron in p orbital. According to Hund's rule, we have to fill the electron. Oxygen atomic number 8 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4, 1s2 2s2 2p1 2 3 4, electrons are paired. Atomic number 9 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5, so here 1s2 2s2 2p5 1 2 3 4 5. Neon noble gas atomic number 10 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6, 1s2 2s2 2p1 2 3 4 5 6. Sodium atomic number 11 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Magnesium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. Aluminium 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1. After filling the 10 electron, the 11 electron enter into the 3s orbital. There are 2 electron in 3s orbital, 2 electron in 3s orbital and 1 electron in 3p orbital. Silicon atomic number 14 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 and 3p2. After fill of 10 electron, 3s orbital containing 2 electron, 3p 1 electron, 3p 1 electron. Phosphorus atomic number 15 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3. 3s orbital containing 2 electron, 3p orbital 1 2 and 3 electron. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4. 3s orbital containing 2 electron 1 2 3 4. Chlorine 1s2 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 17, 3p5. 3s orbital 2 electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And argon atomic number 18 electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. 3s orbital containing 2 electron, p orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to potassium and calcium. Atomic number 19, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Now one electron entered into the 4s orbital. Calcium atomic number 20, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. There are 2 electrons in 4s orbital. Assessment part. Which of the following pairs of d orbitals will have electron density along the axis? Here dx squared, dxy, xz in plane, and dxz, dyz. In dx squared and dx squared minus y squared, the clever leaf is on the axis, along the axis. The maximum number of electron in a subcell is given by the expression, we know the formula, 2 into 2l plus 1. 2 into 2 is 4l plus 2 is the correct answer. It is a neat question also. What is the maximum number of electron that can be associated with the following set of quantum number? N equal to 3 principal quantum number. L equal to 1 means p orbital. M equal to minus 1 means it may be x or y or z. So in p orbital, how many number of electrons are present? 2 electrons are present. Come to the next question. State Pauli's exclusion principle. No 2 electrons in an atom can have the same set of values of all 4 quantum numbers. Helium atomic number 2, 1s2. So the first electron, 1s2 means in 1s orbital, first electron present with the plus half spin. 1s2, 1s2, 1, n equal to 1, s orbital, l equal to 0. If l equal to 0, m equal to 0. For the first electron, the spin quantum number is plus half. For the second electron, same, n equal to 1, s orbital 0. If l equal to 0 means m equal to 0. The second electron with minus half. In this 1s orbital, the 2 electrons are present. The 2 electrons are differ in only in the spin quantum numbers. Define orbital. What are the n and l values for 3px and 4dx squared minus y squared electron? Orbital is a 3-dimensional space in which the probability of finding the electron is maximum. And for 3px orbital, this 3 is the principal quantum number. For p orbital, l equal to 1. This 4 is the principal quantum number. For d orbital, l equal to 2. Give the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus and chromium 3 plus. Manganese atomic number 25, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d5. Mn2 plus means loss of 2 electron. Loss of 2 electron means the 2 electrons are removed from the outermost shell. After removal of 2 electron, manganese 2 plus electronic configuration is 4s03d5. Chromium, a very most important electronic configuration, half filled d orbital is more stable than, therefore 4s13d5 for chromium. Actual expected electronic configuration 4s23d5, but 3d4. To get the half-filled more stable electronic configuration, 1 electron from 4s orbital is promoted to 3d orbital. Chromium 3 plus mean it lost how many electron? 3 electron. 1 from s, 2 from d. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s03d3 is the electronic configuration of chromium 3 plus. Come to the 7th assessment part. How many unpaired electrons are present in the ground state of Fe3 plus atomic number 26 and Mn2 plus atomic number 25? Argon Z equal to atomic number equal to 18. Iron atomic number 26, electronic configuration, argon 18, 20 and 26. Fe3 plus means it lost how many electron? 3 electron. 2 from S, 1 from D. Therefore, argon 18, 3D5, 4S0. D orbital has 5 orientation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orientation. There are 5 electrons in D orbital. So, that D orbitals are present in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 unpaired electrons in Fe3 plus ferric ion. 5 unpaired electrons. Come to the next one. Manganese atomic number 25. Mn atomic number 25. Electronic configuration, argon 18, 20, 25. Manganese 2 plus mean it lost how many electron? 2 electron. That 2 electrons are removed from the outermost shell, 4s. 3d5, 4s0. D orbital has 5 orientation. So, 3dxy, 3dyz, 3dxz, 3dx squared minus y squared, 3dz squared. 5 electron we have according to Hund's rule. All electrons are filled. In Mn2 plus also there are 5 unpaired electron are present. Come to argon. Noble gas atomic number 18 and electronic configuration argon 18. Neon atomic number 10. 3s2, 3p6. All the orbitals are completely filled. Therefore, there is no unpaired electrons present in argon. Come to the last assessment, question number 8. How many orbitals are possible for n equal to 4? N equal to 4 means 4th cell. N equal to 4 means L value was 0, 1, 2, 3. If L value equal to 0, M value equal to 0. Yes, L value 0 means S orbital, 4s orbital, only one orientation. L equal to 1 means P orbital. Possible M value are minus 1, 0, plus 1. There are 3 P orbital, Px, Py and Pz. L equal to 2. Possible M value are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. There are 5 orientation. Therefore, 4dxy, 4dyz, 4dxz, 4dx squared minus y squared, 4dz squared. L equal to 3 means there are 7 M value, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Possible orientation for F orbital, 4f x, x squared minus 3y squared, 4fy, 3x squared minus y squared, 4fz, x squared minus y squared, 4fx z squared, 4fx y z squared, 4fxy z, 4f z cube. When we count all these orbitals, there are total number of 16 orbitals in n equal to 4 level. And my dear students, in this video we discussed the answer key for unit 3 electronic configuration of element. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.